about our new pre-owned, new pre-owned, owned new and pre-owned cars down here in Huntington. Yeah, you know how we do it in Huntington. You know how it is over here at the Dizzle, Nizzle, Shizzle, Lizzle and Kizzle. Yeah, come and buy a car. It don't matter what the weather is, I'm standing out here doing an infomercial. I love it. My daddy loved it. Everybody loves it. We want to buy a car now. Yeah, come buy a car. This is you know who and you know where. And you better come buy a car. 'Cause we love to sell cars. We outsold everybody. We are the leading seller of cars in the whole world. We have so much inventory, we can't even get rid of it. So we had to give it away. Yay! Come see us. You know me. You know where I'm at. Come buy a car. Yeah!